So here's the wire. It is link conductor. This is one. Or no, this is two. This is one. Yeah, this is one over here. One was the ground. No, two was the ground. One was the stinger end, electrode end. So it looks to me like this wire is, or cable is, I don't know. I'd say 60s or 70s. You know, judging by this looks like it's never been taken off. So that's a Lincoln too, you know, so it's original, baby, you know. You can always tell good cable, good copper, by bending it and seeing where it stays. Now, if it springs back more, you know, bring, then other things in there besides copper, like steel or some other impurities. So yeah, I think it's a good buy. Only paid $230. There is 200 feet there. It's $1 and some change a foot. If I was to buy brand new, I would be looking at, you know, I know 1 gauge is near $3 and 2 gauge is near $2 a foot. Or yeah, near $2 a foot. So saved quite a bit. Well, tubers, thanks for watching. There's my Craigslist find.